In ancient China, millennia ago, a healing art was born that would captivate the world for centuries to come. This was the art of acupuncture, a practice rooted deeply in the rich soil of Chinese medicine. The origins of acupuncture can be traced back to the Yellow Emperor's time, around 2,500 years ago, as recorded in the Huangdi Neijing, a foundational text of traditional Chinese medicine. The Yellow Emperor, Huangdi, was said to have received divine wisdom from the goddess of the West, Qi, who imparted the knowledge of the body's vital energy, known as qi. This energy was thought to flow through the body along pathways, or meridians, which could be manipulated to restore health. In times of crisis, when illness or injury struck, the wise doctors of ancient China turned to acupuncture as a means of healing. They believed that by inserting fine needles into specific points along these meridians, they could stimulate the flow of qi and restore balance to the body. One such doctor, Bian Ke, was renowned for his extraordinary skills. He was said to have cured the Duke of Qi's debilitating illness by inserting needles into specific points on his body. The Duke was so grateful that he offered Bian Ke a town, which became the birthplace of the first acupuncture clinic. However, the art of acupuncture did not remain confined within the borders of China. As Chinese explorers and traders ventured abroad, they carried with them the knowledge of this healing practice. Acupuncture spread across Asia, finding a place in the medical practices of Japan, Korea, and Vietnam. In the modern era, the scientific community has begun to understand the mechanisms behind acupuncture. While the concept of qi remains a mystery, studies have shown that the stimulation of specific nerves can indeed lead to the release of endorphins, reducing pain and promoting healing. Today, acupuncture continues to be a popular form of complementary and alternative medicine, with millions of people around the world benefiting from its ancient wisdom. From the courts of ancient China to the modern clinics of today, the art of acupuncture stands as a testament to the enduring power of human ingenuity and the pursuit of healing.